Are you tired of pouring money into your garden every time you water? What if I told you the best water for your plants is free and falling from the sky? Rainwater is the secret weapon of master gardeners, pure, chemical-free, and perfect for your plants. Tap water is full of chlorine and additives, but rainwater is what your garden truly craves. Today I'll show you 5 game-changing rainwater harvesting hacks to save money and supercharge your garden. These are practical step-by-step strategies anyone can use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. We'll build cool systems, get a little nerdy with the science, and make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. And stick around for a bonus tip on using rainwater inside your home. Let's start with the classic rain barrel, the easiest way to harvest rainwater. Place a barrel under your gutter's downspout and let the rain fill it up for free. For best results, use a food-grade barrel and raise it on cinder blocks for gravity-powered water pressure. Install a spigot a few inches from the bottom to avoid sediment clogs and cover the inlet with a fine mesh to keep out debris and mosquitoes. Modify your downspout with a diverter kit to prevent overflow and direct excess water safely away from your foundation. Add an overflow hose near the top to channel extra water into your garden or a rain garden. One barrel not enough? Link several together with hoses for a modular system that stores hundreds of gallons. This setup is simple, scalable, and a total game changer for your water bill. With a little DIY, you'll have a rainwater bank ready for every dry spell. It's safe, efficient, and your plants will love it. No more wasted water, no more wasted money. Let's get building. Clean water starts with clean gutters. Think of them as the arteries of your system. Clean them at least twice a year and consider installing gutter guards to block debris. But even with clean gutters, the first rain washes dirt, pollen, and bird droppings off your roof. Enter the first flush diverter, a simple PVC standpipe that captures the dirtiest initial runoff. As the standpipe fills, a floating ball seals it off, sending cleaner water to your barrel. After the rain, the dirty water slowly drains out, resetting for the next storm. Divert about 1 gallon per 100 square feet of roof. Adjust your pipe size accordingly. This passive system keeps your stored water fresher and reduces barrel cleaning. Build it with basic materials: a T-junction, PVC pipe, a cap, and a floating ball. It's a small project with a huge payoff in water quality. Cleaner water means healthier plants and less maintenance. Combine clean gutters and a first flush diverter for pro-level rainwater harvesting. Your garden and your future self will thank you. Want even cleaner water for drip irrigation or sensitive seedlings? Add a simple DIY filter. Build a multi-stage filter using a bucket or PVC pipe. Water flows in the top, trickles through layers, and exits cleaner at the bottom. Start with coarse lava rock or gravel to catch big debris, then pea gravel for finer particles, and finish with activated charcoal for odor and chemical removal. Separate each layer with landscape fabric or window screen to keep things tidy. Place the filter on your barrel's inlet or inline before the barrel. When flow slows, just rinse the media and replace the charcoal yearly. This extra step keeps your water crystal clear, reduces barrel sludge, and protects your hoses and emitters. It's cheap, easy, and makes a big difference. Your plants get the purest rainwater possible. Less cleaning, more growing. Simple filtration, healthier garden. What if your barrels overflow? Don't waste that water. Put it to work with rain gardens and swales. A rain garden is a shallow, planted basin that soaks up overflow, recharges groundwater, and creates a beautiful, low-maintenance feature. Dig it 6-12 inches deep, amend the soil, and plant water-loving natives. The water pools, then slowly soaks in, nourishing your landscape and filtering pollutants. For sloped yards, dig a swale, a level trench that spreads water along the slope. Swales slow, spread, and sink water, creating a self-watering bed for fruit trees or perennials. Link multiple swales for a terraced, drought-resistant garden. These systems turn overflow into a resource, not a problem. You'll reduce runoff, prevent flooding, and boost your garden's resilience. Smart design, lush results. Now let's get that rainwater to your plants efficiently. For small areas, use a watering can for targeted deep watering. For larger beds, connect a soaker hose to your elevated barrel. Gravity does the work and water seeps right to the roots. Want even more precision? Set up a low-pressure drip irrigation system with emitters at each plant. Water early in the morning to minimize evaporation and avoid fungal issues. Mulch your beds with wood chips or straw to lock in moisture and suppress weeds. These methods maximize every drop, save time, and encourage deep root growth. Combine smart distribution with your rainwater system for a truly water-wise garden. Efficient collection, storage, and delivery complete the circle. Your plants thrive, your water bill shrinks. That's smart gardening. Bonus tip, filtered rainwater isn't just for the garden. Use it for flushing toilets, laundry, or watering indoor plants. For non-drinking uses, it's a great way to cut your household water bill. Just remember, never drink rainwater without serious filtration and testing. By harvesting rain, you're saving money, helping the environment, and giving your plants the best water possible. Which hack will you try first? Share your plans and tips in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening wisdom. Thanks for watching. Happy harvesting.